Well, firstly, enthusiasm around manufacturing. So that's the first thing. I always like to come to these events to see the enthusiasm from the manufacturing community. We did a really good report with Make UK around supply chain and operating without borders. And so one of the takeaways for me was the results from that survey, which hopefully people will download, but also the reaction from the audience when we got to have those conversations with the panel. So it was very engaging. It's probably about the 8th time I've come, so the benefit of that is I get to see members turn up every single year. And actually when I was on the panel, there were 2 or 3 people in the audience that I remember from last year and they remembered me, so the networking opportunities here are very good, yeah. Oh, that's a good question. How to get information out to, well, I would say through the engineers, through the young engineering network, because there are thousands of engineers coming through every single year. They're membership of engineering federations, and we have an opportunity through Make UK to go down through that network, and you attract a lot of young engineers through that way. I think also maybe through the catapults as well, because a lot of people come through the universities, they access the catapults like the one in Coventry, the one that Infor is going to be associated with later this year, which is NMIS in Scotland. So thousands of people come through that process. So that's a good way of getting the message out there.